An earthquake is the shaking of the surface of the Earth resulting from the sudden release of energy in the Earth's lithosphere that creates seismic waves. And the Philippines happens to reside at the Pacific Ring of Fire. And today, we will count down 5 of the most devastating earthquakes that hits the Philippines. At number 1, a magnitude 8.0 earthquake in Mindanao. A magnitude 8.0 earthquake took place near Mindanao and Sulu a little past midnight of August 17, 1976. That was felt as far as the Visayas. It was then followed by a massive 4 to 5 meters high tsunami covering 700 kilometers of coastline bordering the island. Because it was dark, the people were caught by the raging water, which claimed 8,000 lives, injuring 1,000 and leaving 90,000 more homeless. At number 2, the 7.8 earthquake that hits northern and central Luzon. A total of 2,412 people died and at least 10 billion worth of damage to public and private properties was reported after a magnitude 7.8 earthquake that struck northern and central Luzon at around 4 p.m. of July 16, 1990. Although the epicenter was recorded in Nueva Ecija, it caused more damage in the city of Pines, and the quake that just lasted for about a minute is one of the most devastating earthquakes that hit the country, and it can never be forgotten. At number 3, the 7.5 earthquake that hits Luzon. The magnitude 7.5 earthquake that crushed Luzon on November 30, 1645 at about 8 p.m. was called the most terrible earthquake in Philippine history. The epicenter of the said earthquake was in Nueva Ecija by the San Miguel and Galdon faults. It has caused many landslides which buried many people alive and destroyed many buildings and churches including Manila Cathedral. That time, only Spanish are counted, so the recorded number of casualties was only 600 while the injured was about 3,000. At number 4, the 7.3 earthquake that hits Casiguran. Most of the people in Casiguran, Aurora, was still fast asleep when a magnitude 7.3 earthquake struck at 4:19 a.m. of August 12, 1968. It was another deadly and shocking seismic activity in the country, and the city of Manila got the most severe damage. Many buildings were either damaged or destroyed totally. The said event was also called the Ruby Tower earthquake after the said 6-story building located in Binondo collapsed, and it causes the death of 260 people. A total of 268 people died that day after 261 more were injured. At number 5, the magnitude 7.2 earthquake in Bohol. I can still remember when that earthquake took place on October 15, 2013. People were running for their life, imagining that there could be a tsunami. The epicenter of the said earthquake was in Bohol. The quake affected most of Central Visayas, particularly Bohol and Cebu. It was felt in the whole area of the Visayas and reaches as far as Masbate Island in the north and Cotabato in the south Mindanao. According to the National Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Council, or in the RRMC, a total of 222 people died. 8 were missing and 976 others were injured. An estimated 73,000 structures were damaged, wherein more than 14,500 of which were destroyed totally.